How to schedule text messages on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now this should also work on the Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel phones. So to get started, first go to Messages. Now if you want to schedule a text message, first type in your message. So I'm gonna here type in my message. And then once you're done, press and hold the send button. This will show you some schedules. You can choose to send it later today or later today at 1 p.m. or you can just pick a date and time and then you can send it. So here, let's say I want to send it after a week, and then I'll just click next, and then I can set the time when I want to send it. Let's say 5 or 1 p.m. Then you can set. And then once you're done, just click on send. So this will only send after the scheduled date that I have set. Now this will also work on Telegram. So you can do the same thing. This is a test. Then press and hold the send button, and then it will show you a scheduled message. Then you can set the date when you want to send it and the time, and then click on send on June 8th. Now this message is scheduled to send on June 8th. So that's how to schedule text messages on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Thanks for watching.